Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with an entry to my birthday challenge giveaway. There is still time, everybody, and all you do is have to send me a birthday themed ATC card. You can make one or more. If you choose to send goodies, you get 2 extra entries, and it ends the 6th, but I will accept till the 7th after my mailman comes through, and I will be drawing a winner or 2 winners the night of the 7th. So this entry comes from VSJ Craft. You guys, look at this beautiful birthday card, and look at it's dimensional. It's gorgeous. I'm giving her 2 extra points for that, by the way. It's my giveaway, and I think that card alone counts for that. So, that is just gorgeous. Look at that pretty bird and the gold going around and the ribbon. It says happy birthday. That's just gorgeous. Okay. It says wishing you all the best birthday throughout the year. Happy blessed birthday, Velma 2024 VSJ Crafts. Gorgeous card. And here's her ATC. Got the tape, so hang on, bear with me. There we go. Ooh, this is gorgeous. She likes her dimension. Birthday wishes, and then the cake. Oh, look it! It's got clovers on the cake. You guys see that? That is so cool. It's got little rhinestones. And then, let's see, artist trading card, title, birthday 2024, artist Velma Shabby Johnson. I won't say her address. Edition 1/1, February 10th, 2024. This is gorgeous. I like that. I like how dimensional it is. So let's get my birthday. Oh, I'm the wrong way in my binder. Bear with me here. There we go. We got, oh, right here. That there. Let's get the paper. So 1 for the ATC, and I'm giving her 2 for the card because that card is gorgeous. And the workmanship in there. There's my pen. I was like, where's my pen? I keep losing my favorite pen on my desk. It's unreal. Make sure I have VSJ Crafts. Look at it, guys. They didn't even swipe the marks on those stamps. Those are going in my spares. I keep them just in case I run out and I need that 1 extra one. Then I'll glue it down. VSJ Crafts. And I will have her channel linked in the description box below. So go over and give her some love. And if you're new to her channel, tell her Tina's Messy Crafty Life sent you over so she knows where you came from. Alright. Ooh, I gotta tape that back on. The giveaway bear badge is coming off. There we go. VSJ Craft. Bucket. If I don't get more entries by the time my birthday, I probably will find a smaller container to draw the names out. I'll just dump it in something else. So it's hard to kind of reach in on the bear on camera. Yep, though. There we go. Shake her up. Thank you so much. This is, like I said, I am loving this card. Gorgeous card, Velma. And my intentions are to put it in my memory book that I have back here. This is my like family memory 2024 book, and I'm going to make, see back here, I have friendship mail. I'm going to do another one with letters back here and go birthday, and then put my birthday cards in there. Or I might just keep them in the sleeve like this. I haven't really decided yet, but we will see. But for right now, the birthday card is going to go in the sleeve. So thank you so much. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.